So I'm going to talk about my magazine today. I've been working on the front cover and I decided to call my magazine Synth. I did a few questionnaires and it came out that the answer was wrong because they didn't do the questionnaire properly. Quite a few were unreliable results, so I had to redo the questionnaire, and I did a question on my blog asking people what they thought my name should be, and it came out to be Synth. So after choosing the name, I planned my masthead, which I wanted to be quite bold and I wanted to fill up the whole length of the page. And I had to choose my font and then decide how bold I wanted it to be. Then after doing this, I went on to my shots, which probably was the hardest part because I did a few shots but there were some things wrong. They weren't wearing the right clothes, and then I redid them again and they weren't diverse enough. Each one was quite similar to the other. So I redid them again and I came out with ones I quite liked. For my front cover, I decided to have one that was quite close up. It was of my friend's face and no shoulders or anything, just her face, and I wanted it to be quite bold with the masthead and the text, and then just straight up with the face. I used quite a bold lip colour as well to draw attention. And as well as shots, I've been working on my Le, which would be a 10-track album that would be given free to anybody that bought the magazine. And I know that this has to be quite eye-catching, this part, because it's something that will draw the viewers in. So I decided to make this bit blue, which would also tie in with my colour scheme. In my questionnaire, people said that they would like to see the colour blue, so that's how I've used it. And I've used it for some of the text as well, with the cover lines. I found it quite hard to tie everything together because, to begin with, I thought that it would be quite an easy job. If you see magazines, it looks a lot easier than you think. So I found it quite hard, and I just decided to play around with different things. I think quite a lot I changed from my original idea, but that was just because after testing things out, I found that they didn't necessarily work as well. So I use these things that I have now, as you'll see when I upload my front cover. But that's about it really. I didn't really have anything else to say. And thank you.